Hey guys, it's Mike here from Ad Badger, and there's some really big news on the Amazon PPC front. Today, on the Amazon advertising blog, if you didn't know they have one, they do. They just released a post simply called Amazon Advertising, and I wanted to read through it here with you. This is their official statement. So if we dig into this a little bit, the first thing that they do is definitely acknowledge the fact that it's a little messy right now. They have AMG, AMS, AAP, all being completely separate logins, a little bit confusing, a little bit difficult to know like where we should all be going, what we should be doing. They are going to be unifying these things, AMG, AMS, and AAP, into one simple Amazon advertising platform, simply called Amazon Advertising. So they say that they have, the first thing that they say is that this will not be an overnight thing, not happening all at once. You'll continue to see some of these legacy brand names being phased out over the next several months. Let's take a look at what else they say. Simplified product for portfolio. So changing the name of headline search ads to simply sponsored brands. Don't know if I love that change just yet. We've also renamed Amazon Ad Platform to Amazon DSP to most accurately represent the capabilities of this programmatic ad buying tool. We'll get to that in a second. So sponsored products and sponsored brands allow advertisers to promote their products on or brand on Amazon. Got it. Display ads, sort of know what those are. Display on Amazon and third-party sites and apps, customizable, so on and so forth. Product display ads are also available for advertisers who sell on Amazon to drive to their product detail pages. None of this is too new just yet. Video ads, really, really exciting. Can't wait for that. Very similar to, this and display ads, very similar to like the Google Display Network on how it's going out to the Amazon network. Again, it's just, you could see how much Amazon's investing in their ad platform with things like this, rich media ads on their network of sites, just like Google has media ads on their network of sites. So really, really interesting play here. Is it possible that, instead of Google AdSense on your website, you could have some kind of Amazon advertising product on your website, driving people back to Amazon with their own retargeting product? It's really, really exciting. Stores, again, vendors and sellers to create their own website, own branded URL on Amazon. We know all about that. Measurement, campaign reporting, retail insights, third-party reporting. Eager, whether they run on Amazon or third-party sites or apps. That's really exciting because currently, if you have a campaign running off of Amazon, it will just say like other placement, so we can actually get some info there. And then DSP, demand-side platform, advertisers to programmatically run their audiences. Terrific. Cool. So that's the update that they released today. Really exciting to see what's going to happen over the next couple of months. A lot of exciting things going on, like Amazon Attribution was just released a couple of days ago, or at least they released a press release for it a couple of days ago. So really, really exciting time. I can't wait to start incorporating this as soon as possible into the Ad Badger platform. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.